Hey guys, Coach Carroll here. Are you a power washing, window cleaning, roof cleaning, or just an overall exterior cleaning company? Do I have something for you? Over the past 4.5 years, I've developed our online training and certification program called the EasyPro certification course. And I've got a special offer over the next 6 weeks. We're offering you free on-site training. That's right, you can come to our office right here in Louisville, Kentucky for a one-day hands-on experience. Typically, this is a $1,000 training. We're including it absolutely free if you sign up to become an EasyPro certified pro. To get signed up, click the button below, go to the landing page where you can learn more about the certification program. Everything that's included in the program, documents, course trainings, there's over 100 videos along with trailer diagrams and safety programs that you can implement in your business. Secondly, purchase the course. You can either do the one-time pay or the payment plan. Once you're signed up, one of my team members will reach out to you and get you your ticket for the April 22nd training right here in Louisville, Kentucky. We're gonna do hands-on demos with roof cleaning equipment like booster pumps and 12-volt systems. We're gonna show you how to XJet, how to downstream, and most important, you're gonna learn how to be profitable in this business. By and large, I feel like the solo operator is the most profitable version of a power washing business. You can easily pull down $250,000 in gross earnings and take home over 6 figures. So, if you're interested in learning more about the training, click the button below. We'll see you here in Louisville on April 22nd.